In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find starred messages on WhatsApp web. By the end, you'll know exactly where your saved messages live and how to quickly pull up only the ones from a specific conversation. Starred messages are perfect for bookmarking important details like addresses, links, confirmation numbers, or reminders you want to revisit without scrolling through long chats. First, open your preferred web browser and search for WhatsApp web. Make sure you're opening the official page so you can sign in securely. A stable internet connection on both your computer and your phone will make this smoother. Next, log in. If you see a QR code on the screen, open WhatsApp on your phone and link your device to the web session by scanning that code. Depending on your region, you may also see an option to log in with your phone number. If that appears, follow the on-screen guidance to authenticate. Either method connects your web session to the same account you use on your phone. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar where your chat list appears. At the very top of that list, click the three dots, or you might see a small down arrow depending on your layout. This opens a menu of quick options. Choose Starred Messages from that menu. A panel will appear on the right side of the screen showing all of your starred messages arranged chronologically. Think of this as your personal highlight reel. Every message you've saved across all chats appears here in one place. You can scroll through to find what you need. Clicking any item will take you straight to its original spot in the conversation, which is handy if you need more context around that message. If you're only looking for starred messages from one specific person or group, like a single address or a link you saved in that chat, there's a targeted way to do it. Open the conversation where that message lives. At the top of the chat window, click the contact name or the group name to open the details panel on the right. In that panel, scroll until you see starred messages and select it. You'll now see only the messages you previously starred within that particular conversation, neatly filtered so you don't have to sift through everything else. That's it. Use the main Starred Messages view for a complete overview, and the conversation-specific view when you know exactly which chat it came from. Keeping important notes starred makes them easy to retrieve whenever you need them.